Okay, so hey everybody, here is a little quick tutorial on how we can use our bullet journal elements to make this really cute Christmas card. So I have included the template for you, and we'll go through now. You can either do the usual, which is to trace the template onto and copy it, or if you've been using these shapes in your bullet journal, you might feel quite happy to just go ahead and free draw it. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need a sheet of card. I have cut this piece of card to 15 centimeters, and this is the whole side of an A4, so approximately 30 by 15. But you could do this just on an A4 page, folded in half. Also going to need something circular. I'm using this dish, I think it's from like a goo or something like that. Your Tombow pens that you're using for your bullet journal, or your felt tip pens, a fine liner, a pencil, and a rubber. Okay, so let's crack on. So we take our piece of paper and we fold it in half. Now, because I'm fancy, I've got a tool to help me fold it in half and make a nice crease. If you've got a clean ruler, you could do it with a clean ruler, just like that. So I've got a nice crease. There we go. And next is to take your dish. You want it to be around 7 or 8 cm if you want to follow the diagram, the tutorial on the template. So just do a rough outline of a bauble shape. And then it's up to you. You can start with a pencil and start drawing in some shapes. So we can do our tree that we've been doing, which is a triangle with the skirt. And then just fill out as much detail as you can. I'm going to speed it up and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so now we've got the main shapes in, I'm going to go through and I'm going to outline our shapes and add in the little stars and the snowflake details. And now we've got our circle filled in. You can keep on filling as far as you want, as big as your circle, and then we can rub out our circle, our pencil circle. The next thing is to add a little bauble top. So for this, I'm going to do a straight line, almost like nearly a rectangle, but then put a little skirt on the rectangle. And then it's going to have a loop at the top. And then we need to give our bauble a bow. So we just do a loop and another loop and a tail and another tail, and then obviously it's going up. And it's up to you. You could do this string in any colour. I'm going to just colour in my topper with some gold. And there we go. There's our card. So you will have something that looks like this. And obviously inside you can write your own message, or you can use my printout. So on the second page of the template is a printout, and you can fold that in half and just trim it a little bit smaller than your card and simply place it in. Now you can glue, add some glue to this side, and then you'll have your card, your very own homemade card. There we go. I hope you enjoy it, and I'd love to see what you come up with, guys. Don't forget to tag me.